Welcome back to Mango Radar News. Please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. It helps the channel grow and make sure more people see this life-saving video. You can also share this video to anyone you know who may benefit from it. Thank you. On today's video we are going to be investigating a disturbing trend among people under 50, and that is the rise in colorectal cancer cases among this age group. With the recent death of Hollywood actor James Van Der Beek at 48 and also Chadwick Boseman at 43, the spotlight is again on colon cancer and why cases have been rising steadily in the last 30 years. It has become the top deadly cancer among Americans under 50. But first let us look at what our colon is and what it does. The colon is one of the longest organs in the body and forms part of our large intestine. Its major function is to process food remains after the nutrients have been absorbed in the small intestine. The colon absorbs water and electrolytes from indigestible food material or chyme. This process helps to solidify the liquid waste into what we know to be poop. It also helps to regulate your body's fluid levels and prepare waste for evacuation from the body. The strong muscles in the colon help move food waste along the colon till it gets to your rectum. So in a nutshell, your colon forms part of a very long pipe that helps to turn undigested food into poop. What is colon cancer? Sometimes abnormal cell growth can occur within the polyps of the inner lining of the walls of the colon. Over time, these growths can perforate the colon wall and cause cancer. The scary part is that it can develop over as long as 10 years. It may not show any symptoms until it is fairly advanced. Common symptoms include belly pain, a protruded belly and the presence of fresh or undigested blood in your stool. Other symptoms may include unexplained weight loss, constipation or diarrhea. Common ways of diagnosing and staging colon cancer include blood tests, colonoscopies and biopsies. Treatment options may include surgery to remove part of the cancerous tumor in the colon, but we are not here to talk about that. We are here to suggest ways to prevent getting colon cancer in the first place. Many doctors have agreed that a huge risk factor for colon cancer is what we put into our bodies. The food we eat spends a lot of time sitting in our intestines, and we all know the saying, garbage in, garbage out. What we put into our bodies is so important. It is important to avoid alcohol, largely because most alcoholic drinks also include sugar, which is bad for our gut and our colon and feeds cancer cells. If you must have alcohol, ensure it is sugar-free. Also avoid inflammatory compounds like the ones found in gluten. Try gluten-free breads and treats. A great brand that makes exceptional gluten-free breads is Schär, which you can find on Amazon. Also avoid processed and ultra-processed foods like bacon, sausages, luncheon meat, etc. Try the vegetarian variety instead. If you smoke, you should consider quitting. Nicotine is great for encouraging cell mutation in the body. Avoid added sugar as much as you can. Try honey or fruit-based sweeteners instead. In terms of what you should be doing, exercise is a great way to start. Walking for just 30 minutes a day can have life-changing effects on your body. Also consider a smartwatch that reminds you to get up and move every hour. Drink lots of water. Another important thing which I personally hate is drinking tea. I hate drinking hot tea. I hate sitting in one place and sipping on a hot drink. If you're like me, I have a solution. I'm about to reveal a life-changing secret to allow you to get the benefits of tea without the boring process of brewing and drinking tea. We introduce the ultimate anti-cancer tea. You only need a few ingredients. Get a huge pot and throw in some fresh lemongrass, cloves, hibiscus flowers, ginger, green tea and the skin of a whole pineapple. Put on the stove and allow the whole thing to boil into a brew. Sieve the tea out from the pot and add some honey for sweetness. Allow it to cool and put the tea in bottles and freeze. Bring out a bottle every day and have a chilled glass of this life-changing anti-cancer tea daily. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables including seaweed daily and watch your health improve greatly. What did you think about this video? Did you get any value from it? Let us know in the comments. See you on the next video.